I request everyone to please unmute yourself so we can help to discuss later on. Yes. Uh, Once again, I welcome you all. Just I request to everyone, uh, the demo session is in English language. It is comfortable for all of you. Pranjal, it is okay for you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then thank you. So let's start the demo session on Vedic math. First of all, let me discuss about myself. Who am I that is presenting this Vedic math? So the brief introduction about myself is that in the year of 2017, I started my career in the field of Vedic math by presenting a paper in Northeast Regional Institute of Education. That is a part of NCRT. It is in Meghalaya, Shillong, to improve the quality in mathematics education. This is the first time I introduced Vedic math from my side in national level. And thereafter, I become a Vedic math trainer of Vidya Vanasthali Shiksha Samiti Simdega. It's an NGO of my hometown. Simdega is my hometown. And over here, I train the student from class 3 to class 12. And also, I'm starting to train the student who are doing preparation for the competitive examination, such as SSC, bank, PO, or something like that. I am a certified Vedic math trainer. Along with this, I am a certified career guru of Dheya. I am the organizer of Math Club in Simdega of Jharkhand State, and I am also a CTET and JTET qualified teacher, which is essential for every teacher to qualify that exam. CTET is a central government examination, and JTET is a state level test for teacher eligibility. And before this, I am also the alumni of RI Bhubaneswar. I am the student of Regional Institute of Education, that is in Bhubaneswar, where I did my Bachelor of Education in the year of 2017. For the JCERT, I am also the master facilitator for their program Gyan Setu. I give the training to the teacher of primary school for almost 5 days. This is the residential training, and over there, the training is given to do the baseline assessment for each and every student of government children. And thereafter, I also worked as a PGT science in JNV Saraikela. And now I starting my demonstration about the Vedic math. At present time, math phobia, or you may say fear of math. I give you the data, I show the data of India along with the US. Right? In the present time in India also, lots of children have faced this problem. They have math phobia, and the children are avoiding doing calculations. Today I am also showing the data, what is the data that shows in India as well as in the abroad. So I think in our group also someone definitely they have the fear of math for doing calculations. Why? Why this math fear is there? According to me, according to my judgment, according to my perceptions, the reason is concepts are not clear of the student. If the concepts are clear, then definitely the children don't have any kind of issues for doing calculations, basic operations, right? And the second is method of teaching. Whatever the method we teach in our school, in the curriculum, that is not sufficient for the children to learn. This don't help to remove the fear of math from the children. Lack of practices. It's definitely, as per the second point is there, method of teaching is not appropriate. That's the reason lack of practicing. This we see among the children. They don't practice the mathematics. They mug up the calculations. Right. Even in my early days, I too mug up the calculations. I too mug up the tables. It's a very difficult task to learn tables from 2 to 20 for a children of 3 or 4. It's a really difficult. And this is the basic reason the children are avoiding their practices for doing calculations. And last but not least, attention disorder. Due to all the three above reasons, children don't give proper attention while doing calculations, right? And the data shows in India and abroad, around 47% of the children of the age group 13 to 17, they have difficulties in their mathematics operation, right? The data shows, and the data, this is being also published in Annual Status of Education Report 2017, that clearly indicate around 57% of Indian children of the age group of 14 to 18 years, they don't able to do the calculations, basic operations, you may say addition, subtraction, division and multiplications. They have difficulties for doing such kind of operations. This is not only the case of India. In the United States too, it's a global concern. This data I took from the Outlook journal, Outlook magazine, that published this article, which shows almost 37% of the children of US of the same age group of India, that is around 13 to 17 years age, they have difficulties for doing calculations. Right. Till now, I am discussing. We have what is the basic, what are the current scenario. So, my question: what is in our hand? What we have to do? We are facing such kind of issues since beginning of the early childhood, starting mug upping the tables, numbers, counting, and so and so and so. So, what is in our hand? As a parents, as a teacher, what we need to do, or as an educator, what we need to do, right? So, from my side, I present Vedic math. This will give you a big impact in the learning style of children. With the help of Vedic mathematics, the children it can help the children to do the calculation fast and fast and fast. I will show it in the today's session itself. So before beginning the Vedic math, just in a glimpse, father of Vedic math. Who is the father? So he is the father of Vedic math. The name of that person is Bharati Krishnaji Tirthaji Maharaj. He is the father of Vedic math. I hope while suffering from the internet, I think you may also gone through this person, that is Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. He can do tremendous work in this field in his career. And what we taught to the children in this current time, all the thing is given by Bharati Krishnaji Tirthaji Maharaj. And then we are going to elaborate again and again and again, moving ahead, moving forward. So, what is Vedic math? Actually, it is nothing but it's an ancient practice, what we did in our ancient period. The method of doing calculations at the time of our Vedic age. This is actual Vedic math. Right? It's a collection of techniques that consist of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, and it were written in and around 1500 to 900 BC in Sanskrit language. It is available in our holy book, that is Atharvaveda, the holy book of Hindu. One of the holy book of Hindus is Atharvaveda, and it is available in a scattered form. What Bharati Tirthaji Krishnaji Maharaj can do, just it collect all the data uh, in a presentable way, in a good way, so that we are able to do it. Right? It just reconstruct it. This is the basic history of Vedic math. And with this, we are also doing lots of calculations among the algebra, calculus, mensurations, trigonometry. So we can do this. So my question is why? Because it gives speed. With the help of Vedic math, a children can do the calculation of 6-digit, 7-digit multiplication, subtraction, or even division in very high speed. That is, if the speed is taken, then the calculation will be done mentally, so it reduces time. Right? It is improve the speed of the children. Second, it gives accuracy. With the help of Vedic math, the children can do with a good accuracy, and it helpful in their examination to improve their grade. This is the reason why Vedic math is required. It improves the brain efficiency of the children, as the children can do mentally. It build up their self-confidence among the class, among their friends, among their group. Concept clarity is there with the help of Vedic math only. Okay. Another thing, application are direct. You can use it in your daily life. While going to the supermarket or to the nearby market, you can use this Vedic math. Improve imagination power, right? And it remove the phobia of math. As it start loving. Children are loving mathematics. Start loving it. It also helpful for the International Math Olympiad and other Olympiad. And it is best for the competitive examination because it helps to do the calculation super fast. During the competition, a question is need to be solved less than 50 seconds. Then Vedic math can help them. So here I am starting the Vedic math. You may say sutras that is being used in Vedic math. This is the first example, multiplications. Here we need to do the multiplication of 52 times 11. Okay, so while doing in the traditional method, definitely it needs 1 minute or 2 minutes to a children of class 5. With the help of Vedic math, the children can do less than 10 seconds. So almost it reduces 90% of their time. Almost 90 to 95% time will be reduced while solving this with the help of Vedic math. How to do this? Just write 5 as it is and 2 in the ones and 5 in the tens place, and put it as it is, and just add both the number and put it in the middle. This is the answer. 5 become hundreds place, 2 is in the ones place. Just add both the number and you have the answer. Just add both the number and you have the answer. That becomes 572 and nothing need to do. This will take less than 5 seconds. If the children can learn, if the children can have the concept how to do the multiplication with 11, the children will do it very fast, right? So in the according to this slide, with the multiplication of 11, now it's your time to do the calculation. Just give me the answer to 21 times 11. What is the answer? Just unmute yourself. Yes. Pranjal, what is the answer? 21 times 11.
231.
Yes, he is correct.
Wow.
Less than 10 seconds, I hope. I think the children is of age group 5 or 6 can do this.
Wow.
It's a really big one. Another question for Pranjal. 81 times 11. What is the answer?
891.
Yes, that's good. Congratulations, Pranjal. You are doing good. Right. This is the impact of Vedic math. From the first day itself, the children will start learning. From the first day, it is being applicable in their life. So, another example of Ek Nyunen Purvain. This is the first sutra of Vedic math. I am just demonstrating Ek Nyunen Purvain. One example is that you need to multiply 165 times 999. So what you need to do, just subtract 1 from 165 and the product, whatever the product is coming while doing subtraction, Just subtract it from 999 and you have the answer. First side is 164. While subtracting 999 minus 164, you have the answer 835. If this sum is given to the children of class 8 or 9, right, the children will take at least 2 minutes. Because in doing traditional method, they require almost 4 steps to solve this method. Solve this question. Almost 4 steps are there to solve this multiplication. That kill their time, right? And in the Vedic math, just in a one single line operation is there. You can directly do the calculation. So another question, 1355 times 9999. Same method, nothing different. The answer becomes just lesser than 1 in the left side, and in the right side you can just subtract it. So the answer becomes 13548645. And here one thing I would like to add over to you is that I am saying it is also applicable for the competitive examination. How? We are doing the calculation from the right hand side to left hand side, not from right to left. The direction is changed from left to right, not from right to left. This will give the impact in their calculation during their examination of competition. The question are asking like this: what is the multiplication product in the 100th place? What is the digit is come in the 100th place while doing the multiplication of 165 and 999? The student who know this ek union purvain definitely in a 1 second give the answer. Definitely in a 100th place or in a 1000th place or in a 10,000th place, what is the digit is coming in the product? This type of question is being asked in the SSC, bank, PO, CAT, MAT, Z, like this examination. So it is helpful. They don't need to do the calculation. Just use the application and give the answer. That's the reason Vedic math is applicable to them. So for you now, fine. Do it yourself. What is the multiplication answer? What is the answer for 1, 2, 3 times 999? Yes, unmute yourself and give me your answer.
122876.
Yes, see, what is the answer? 122877. This is your correct answer.
Yes.
Right? Another question for you. And this question can show you can become a human calculator. I hope you learned, you heard the name, one lady, that is Sakuntala Devi.
Yeah.
Right now, this can show that you are faster than the calculator. See, what is the multiplication for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 7 times 9? If the same person is, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes.
8, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3.
Yes. Pranjal is correct. And he did it less than 10 seconds. Just seeing the number, the children can do it. This is the biggest impact this can give it. And this multiplication can't do with the help of calculator. Here I show the image. In the right side, the calculator shows it. While doing the multiplication for 14 digit, 7 digit times 7 digit, the answer don't give it. It start giving error. So the calculation can be done mentally. Right? The thing that is not done by the calculator, a human can do. A child of age 5 or 6 can do this kind of calculation. So with this method, Vedic method, the children can do very fast, right? The children can also do faster than the calculator. Calculator need to type the digit first, and then only he give the answer. While typing, it require almost 14 seconds for 14 digit number. Then only in the 15th second the calculator can give it. And here in the demo session itself, Pranjal can give the answer less than 10 seconds. So these are the some pictures I have taken. Running batch performance. Division. This slide shows division of almost 7 to 8 digits in a single line. If a children will give this sum, they require almost a page to do this calculation, and it require almost 5 minutes by doing traditional method. With the help of Vedic math, you can do it. I'm just showing another slide to you, multiplication. How the children can do in a single line. For the bigger number, 87 times 899, 87 times 98, 87 times 95, 79 times 97. So in a single line, you can do it. No need to bother for the 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. In a single line, a children who know the Vedic math can do it. Right, this is the running batch performance. I am taking this clip from the running batch student answer. We provide the worksheet, and this worksheet can help them to achieve such kind of level. This help to improve their calculations. Here, another slide, multiplication table. For 51 and 49, I presented. The table I taught you up to the table of 99. You can learn it. This is 1 day session. Right, it requires 1 day, total 1 day session, and after this session, the children can learn doing any table up to 99. You need to mug up now. While starting the session, I also told myself too, it's a very difficult task to learn the table up to 20. Now after 1 hour of the session, the children can learn up to the table of 99. See how it improved their grade.
Mind the bullet 99.
Right, up to 99 the children can learn it. After just 1 hour. And after this, the children can write this kind of table. Right. So these are the performance, running performance. See here, subtraction Vilokanam, another method for doing subtraction. If you count the digit, it is almost 13 to 14 digit number is there. And for doing this kind of subtraction, the children can do less than 20 seconds or plus 5. At present, I have a children of class 5 and he can do it less than 15 seconds. If the question is given, they can do it less than 10 seconds. With this subtraction cannot be done by the calculator, because calculator have restricted up to 12 digit only. Right. So with the help of Sutras Vilokanam, that is being taught in a 3rd day of my batch, 3rd day of my session, the children can do it in less than 15 to 20 seconds. Not more than this. This is the actual data that is taught during the class. This is the live session from where I capture it. So another division of 333 divided by 98. You can see how in a single line he can give the answer. 3 become the quotient and 39 become the remainder. And how a children can know that this method is correct. For this also we have sutras that is called Vedic check. And this is the Vedic check method the children can do. This is the first day so that it can be elaborately discussed. And this Vedic check also take less than 10 seconds. After doing practicing of about 50 sums, the children can do it mentally. No need to do it in a pen or paper. The children can't need any kind of pen or paper. One question is coming, that is Pranjal 3629877 times 63. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Pranjal, you can do it. After the session of 5 days, you can do it mentally. You can. Okay. The multiplication of 3629877
Okay.
multiplication 63. You can. So these are the basic performance. One thing I would like to add, just I am running almost 3 batch in the basic Vedic math course. This is the course structure, right? I can according to my session, Vedic math classes is being conducted in a 3 batch. The first batch is for the class of 3 to 5. Class of 3 to 5 or below. Even one class children or even primary children are there. Not primary, little bit UKG, from UKG onward, the batch is being taught. These are the things: addition, right? Table. These are the topic that we taught. Subtraction, division. That is basically is of 12th session. It is full 1 month program along with the test. And here we also certify the children that he is a Vedic math children. He know Vedic math from Vidya Vanasthali Shiksha Samiti Sindega, from where I am the trainer. Right? We also give them the certificate after the completing the course and their test. These are the things we taught to the children of class 3 to 5. This is the basic course. See, addition, subtraction, table, division, square of number up to 100, and multiplications. These are the things we taught for the basic math. And my another batch is running as a basic plus. This course is applicable, best suitable for the children of class 6 to 8. And it is of almost 18 sessions, 1.5 month course. Right. The topic are addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, with different methods are there. Squaring of number, cube, table, right? This is for class 6 to 8. It also include cube root and square root for the perfect digit, perfect cube root or perfect square root. And in the advanced Vedic math course, that is of 2.5 month course. Total required session is 30 that cover for the student of class 9 to 12 and teacher or for the competition batch student. And here you can learn. These are the things you can learn. This is total 30 days course. 30 session you may call. 1 hour each sessions is being taken out. Okay, this is that much of become basic course structure. Now once again I am coming to my slide. Okay, here now I am coming to the payment link for 1 month online course. This is for the basic, for a class of 3 to 5 or below children. Okay, so this is my call number. I will send. Actually, the course fee is 1,999. and the batch is started from 28th of September 2020. The time is 7 p.m. IST. Now, I will give you 20% discount for the basic plus if you confirm your seat before 26, as the offer is removed by 26. So it will cost you 1600. I will share the link. If it is interested, you can just contact me in the WhatsApp. My number is given to you 8210284532.